Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change profile picture on Twitter. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change profile picture on Twitter, browse x.com and click on your profile photo. And here you will find an option edit profile. Click on edit profile. Click on profile photo to add photo. And now I'm going to select the photo which I want to add in my profile. Select the photo and click on OK. The photo is added and then click on apply and then click on save. Look, the profile picture has been changed in my Twitter account. This is the easiest way to change profile picture in Twitter account. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.